Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today I am going to show you how to make paper clay from cardboard boxes. I'm sure you have a bunch of them stacked up right now. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. And I'm always around if you want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some cardboard paper clay. Make sure to take off all the tape and labels before you put your cardboard pieces in the blender. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.